Hi everyone and welcome back to God of Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to go live on your YouTube live. So first of all you have to open your YouTube and then you will see create button, click on it and now you will see live. Just click on go live and here you will see the different settings. So I am just selecting the ordinary settings with ordinary headphone and camera with no extended software. So just click on go, and on this interface as you can see that due to some issue the video is not showing properly, but if you will see, first you have to put your title in the first box and then you have to put the description. After that you have to also select that it's not made for kids, and after completing the customizations you are ready to go live. So that's it for today, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.